Welcome to the How to Use My Course Link video. My Course Link is also known as D2L. On your homepage, you can see all of your courses. We are going to Lakehead University orientation. Tip from a current student, make sure to check the announcements page so you don't miss important course information. Content is where your professor will post class material. There's a course outline on the side to take you to each section. Pro tip, normally your course syllabus is here. It's important to read through it carefully to understand expectations, and don't forget to add due dates to your calendar. The assignments page is where you will hand in assignments. Usually Word documents and PDFs are preferred, so no Google Docs. Next is the discussions page. It is a discussions forum, so make sure to participate, which is a part of your course marks. If you want to learn more about how D2L works, check out Getting Started. Click on More, Important Links, Getting Started for new students for more tutorials on each section of D2L. Explore under Tools too, like completing the survey for this awesome online orientation. After this video, check out new student tips and content, and make sure to post in the discussions forum to enter into a draw for a prize.